Joe, did you drink my gallon of milk?
No.
Well, neither did I, but there isn't any milk in here.
Maybe it was Joe.
Joe's been gone all week. Plus, he doesn't even drink milk. He's lactose intolerant.
Did I drink your milk? Plus, you ate my leftovers from Chipotle.
Did you know that Chipotle is owned by McDonald's?
Really?
Yeah, and they own Boston Market too.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and you know those red box DVD rental machines you always see in front of grocery stores?
The dollar rental ones?
Yeah, guess who owns those? Ronald freaking McDonald.
What? That's crazy, dude.
Oh yeah, you know what else is crazy?
Huh?
The fact that you drink my milk.
Calmate, calmate.
Hey, I'm gonna go buy some more groceries, alright? I'll be right back.
It's not mean. Now, you know what would be mean? If you said, that's why you got cheated on. Oh!
That would be mean.
That would be mean.
That would be mean.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Hey, Joey, you're back. Ah! Oh my god, guys. Guess who I partied with last night?
The Castle Party of 5?
All the single ladies.
No.
Jesus?
Charlton Heston?
No. Jujubee. She's from RuPaul's Drag Race. Look, I have pictures. Well, basically, I guess some of those $1,000, she got custom-made boobs.
Oh, but they're not really. She puts them on then.
Yeah. It's
Okay,
like,
got
no,
it.
and then they match the color of the skin. So they're like,
Oops, I forgot the...
no, that's disgusting.
Sergio, look at this. Sergio, this entire thing's empty.
You just put it in there.
That's what she said.
Why would I lie, guys? Look, it's completely empty.
Where's my bananas?
I want the purple stuff.
Come on, Sergio, I'm being serious.
I know, man. I saw it.
We potentially have Narnia in our fridge. Dude, we have to try it out.
What do you mean? Do you want to stick something else inside the fridge?
Wait, what do you want to put in there, dude?
Come here, Game Boy.
What? Hell no, dude. Use yours.
Sergio, if anything happens to it, you could have mine. Just let me have it, and we're gonna test out the fridge. One, 2,
3.
Please be in there. Please.
OMG.
Dude, I'm stealing your shit.
Is that really important right now? Where do you think it goes?
I don't know. I mean, how can we find out unless we, like, jumped inside? Rochambeau, loser goes in.
Deal.
Dude, I can't find anything else anywhere, dude.
He's going.
Wait, what?
No! Are you the one that went in? No! Ah, my Game Boy! No! Ah, get in the fridge! Think he's gonna be okay?
Hopefully.
Think he's gonna bring back the milk?
I hope so.